Di ko pa nga napag-aral sa ano ko na ano yun kasi ang hirap kasi ng ano eh.
They still not studying. She said
Pero nakapag-aral na siya ng ano kinder nung
she said
nakaraan.
though her kids are not still don't go to school because she can't afford to buy, life is really hard for that. But she make sure that next year he will she will bring them back in the school. Yeah, just and I hope ko ano po for like stay out nanny. Some of them they are looking for stay out nanny na stay out na yaya po ganyan.
Kumbaga sa gabi lang talaga. Maliit lang na kwarto. Maliit lang na 1.5. Kuryente 5.
Ilang beses po kayo kumakain in one day?
Sa ano, Diyos naman, nakakakain din kami ng 3 times kasi pagka hindi ako nag-aano.
She
Alam
said
mo
if
yun na,
she's not going to walk in streets, she also have extra job which is collecting garbage,
oo.
collect them some and but it's not how much do you earn there?